Hi guys, this is S.A.S Trio with Jonathan here and another arts and crafts, or basically in this case work-on video today. And today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. Woo. Okay, so all you need is a simple piece of paper. Honestly, this is all you need. So basically, all you have to do, well, actually first, that's the thing you want to know is how to do it. So now, okay, sorry. Now first, the step you want to do is fold it, hot dog, I think they call it, style.
Yeah, if you're in elementary, then you know what we're talking about.
But you must smoothen the edges. You have to, or I'll age restrict you. Nah, it's just, it won't work. I don't know, you just really have to smoothen it out. See, I'm smoothing it out a lot right now. Okay, well, enough of that. Okay, well, this is okay, so now after that, you want to unfold it, something like this. Now, first step, down, oh wait, no, like this, first of all, where these are, and now, like that. Kind of like making the paper boat I showed you, remember? You have to do like something like, well, at least you have to do this part, if so, this wouldn't work because of this, so. And some of the steps aren't exactly like this, so. But this is the paper one, so. Of course, have to smooth in edges, and same thing with the other side. Yep, gotta smooth those edges now. Okay, so yeah, so after that, kind of looks like kind of a house, honestly. House. Okay, sorry. Okay, this part is really
cartoon houses. Houses don't actually look like that.
Yeah, I know. No one like.
In fact, houses are odd shaped. They like have like abstract shapes, kind of, that are like different than how.
Okay, so now.
I mean, unless you're making a pineapple,
you want to
just
fold it like this. Kind of like a car. Well, no, actually, never mind. And okay, now you want to. Okay, this part isn't that simple as you think, but of course, you know, those are, oh wait, that's actually quite simple. Let me see.
Yeah,
and I'm pretty sure same thing for the other side. Looks like it's work time. Smoothing out those edges. Yeah, I gotta smoothen out those edges. One very important thing. Yay, we're not done yet, so probably not. Yeah.
Okay, well, as you saw what Jonathan did.
Yeah, this is cool.
Now, as we said,
I
mean, can you imagine if the plane looked like that? Well, no, because one, the plane, we're not even done with the steps.
Yeah, so.
But if you want to, at the end, if you want to prove it works, we're going to even fly it up. We're going to test fly. You want to do that, Jonathan?
Yep. You know, I like this. This looks actually pretty nice. I really don't know what to do, actually. But, okay. Actually, before I do the next step, I think I might really want to. Okay, first of all, you gotta make it a little even. And again, yes, of course, smoothen out those edges. And now what you want to do is here, sorry, like this, and after, yeah, basically like this. Look, I really don't know. Smoothing it out again. I know I keep saying smooth it out because it's actually really important. It's very important.
Yeah,
if you watched my paper boat video, you would understand. Oh yeah, also if you want to watch how to make a paper boat, you could just go to the channel and this will.
Sorry, that was
the first thing that. Well, okay. If you go to that arts and crafts. I have a folder thing called Arts and Crafts, and if you look, the first thing that should be showing is my how to make a paper boat. So again, yeah. So right now you have to fold it like this.
And how to make a paper boat, it shows you how to make a paper plane.
Just shows you how to make a paper boat. boat.
Okay, of course. I mean, why else would it be called paper plane? On a boat.
Okay, that's this is nice. Yeah, I like it. Okay, yeah, of course, same thing. Aw, look at this. This is nice.
It's nice and skinny.
That's for sure. Want to sharpen the point? Nah, you don't have to. It's not like you're tossing it and it's gonna goes on. Okay, sorry.
That would be really terrible.
I'm sorry for that. Just kidding.
I mean, I'm sorry for that.
Okay, yeah, this is good. Yeah, like it like that. You
Well,
like
technically,
it?
you hold it the other way, I think.
Oh yeah, like that. See?
Aw.
Okay, now time to test it. Here. Whee! Aw, I fell.
Okay, it flew. If you guys can see it, went.
Yeah, this is fun. Well, just saying. Also, this is the easiest way too. There are a lot better ways to make it, like an F-15. It's a big paper airplane, but it's like a more improved airplane, and it's actually quite easy. Since this way, because there was this other way how to do it, it was very hard, but this way is much easier. See, this is the easy way. Doing it the easy way, but yeah, see.
In fact, we're gonna test it fly by throwing it out the window. Just kidding.
Okay. Let me go test it.
I was actually. Okay, well, one, I was joking, but two, actually, now when I think about it, you should do it.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready? Whee! Yeah, if you see that little white dot now. It's like right there. Yep, it's right there.
Okay, well, thank you for watching. S.A.S. Trio. The window. Okay, thanks, S.A.S. Trio, and thanks for watching, and goodbye. Peace out.